Welcome to our channel. If your router is creating a network bottleneck and slowing down your internet, follow these step-by-step instructions to diagnose and upgrade your equipment. Step 1. Test your internet speed using fast.com or speedtest.net while connected directly to your modem with an Ethernet cable to establish your true internet speed. Step 2. Compare the wired speed to your wireless speed to determine if your router is causing a significant drop in performance between the two connections. Step 3. Check your router's specifications to verify it supports your internet plan's maximum speed and modern Wi-Fi standards like Wi-Fi 5 or Wi-Fi 6. Step 4. If your router is more than 5 years old or uses outdated standards like Wi-Fi 4, consider purchasing a new router that supports faster speeds. Step 5. Research routers that support your internet plan's maximum speed plus headroom for future upgrades, checking for features like gigabit Ethernet ports and dual-band or tri-band capabilities. Step 6. Purchase a new router from a reputable brand such as Asus, Netgear, TP-Link, or Linksys, ensuring it's compatible with your modem and internet service. Step 7. Install and configure your new router by following the manufacturer's instructions, updating firmware immediately after setup for security and performance improvements. Step 8. Position your router centrally in your home for optimal coverage and run speed tests to confirm improved performance throughout your network. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.